Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix nickname feature not showing on Instagram. So if you also want to fix nickname feature not showing on Instagram, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So Instagram has a really cool feature where you can give each other nickname. If you also want to enjoy this feature, for that what you have to do is launch open Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once Instagram application is opened, initially you'll be in the home interface. Simply tap on the message icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see all the chats. Simply tap on the chat of your choice. Now that particular chat will be opened. At top, you'll be able to find the username. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the options like theme, privacy and safety, nicknames, create a group chat. At third, you'll be able to find the option for nicknames. If you tap on it, you'll be able to set the nickname. But unfortunately, if this feature is not available for you, it might be because your Instagram application is not updated. So updating the Instagram application is very simple. For that, first of all, open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. At bottom you'll be able to find the options like games, apps and search. Simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in Instagram. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the application for Instagram. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. Now you should be able to find the feature for nickname. So that is how you fix nickname feature not showing on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.